So we are going to make a beaded bag out of these pieces. Okay, so you need your scissors, your beads, and then your thread, 0.7 mm. Okay, so you will just start by picking 4 beads. You put 3 on one side of the thread and then you cross the 4th bead. And then you pick 3 beads next. But with this method, we are weaving round the first 4 units we've made. So I fixed 2 on one side of the thread and then I crossed the 3rd bead. Okay, so if you understand bead mathing very well, you will know why the thread is in that particular bead and not the one in the middle. Okay, I mean the yellow, the one in the middle. Yeah, and then because we are using 2 colors, you'll have to note it very carefully where to pick yellow and where to pick blue. But if you are using one color, you have no problem paying attention to this. Just watch it. It's a bead matting 8 by 8, but there is some changes at the top, and then at the end of by the end of the video you will know what I'm talking about. Okay, so here I entered the blue bead and then I'm picking 3. All right, so you fix 2 on your left side of the thread and then you cross the 3rd bead, so it continues like that. Okay, so you are seeing the design we want to make, so we are weaving around it instead of doing one chain and you go and come back. I mean, yeah, you understand. This one we are weaving around it, and I urge you all to try this method when you are making bags because it works really fast for me. Yeah, so you can also try it out and let's see whether it's fast for you as well. So you can follow the method and then you understand it better. Okay, but for the sake of our beginners, I will still run my commentary. Okay, just that these cocks, they are worrying me with their burning. I mean, yeah, but let's continue. Okay, so I picked 2 beads and then you can still see how it's going. So here I'll pick 3, 2 blue and 1 yellow. Okay, 2 blue and 1 yellow, and then we are going to cross the yellow bead instead, right? Okay, good. And then with the right side of the thread you enter the blue bead, and then you pick 2 yellow beads. Okay, and then you cross the second one as usual. Please subscribe to Maze Bead Crafts and then like this video if you are loving it already, and then leave your comments. I'll definitely respond. Okay, yeah. So next I'll pick 2, which is going to be blue beads. Okay, so 2 blue, you cross the 2nd bead. Okay, and this set is ready. I mean, this round is complete. You can see the 2 blue beads around it. We are also going to make it at the blue beads another line or another design. Okay, so we are going to make it complete. So here I picked 3, 2 yellow and 1 blue, and then I cross the blue bead. You enter the next bead, which is the yellow bead, and then you pick 2 blue to close that gap between the 3 and the 2 blues there. So you pick 2 blue, and then you will see what I'm talking about after crossing the 2nd bead. Great. Okay, So next you enter the next bead, and then you pick 2 yellow. Yes, like I said, if you are working with one color but you want to achieve this design, is your choice. Yeah, you don't have to pay attention to the picking of the colors, but if you want to do it 2 colors like I'm doing, then you should pay very much attention to the picking of colors. Okay, so here I think I picked 2 blue and 1 yellow. Yes, okay, so we are starting another round. That is why it is like that. So you enter the next blue, you pick 2 beads, 1 yellow and then 1 blue, and of course you cross the blue bead. Yes, right, you enter the next bead, the yellow one, you pick 2 beads, and this time around you pick 2 blue beads. Okay, great, you enter the next bead. Here you pick 2 yellow. Okay, pick 2 yellow beads, then you cross the second bead. So I've been having one-on-one online training. Okay, if you are a beginner, so you're a beginner, you want to advance yourself, you can contact me through my contact details in the description box. Okay, and then I will respond to you. If you're a beginner as well, the door is open for you. Okay, so yeah, so here I picked 3, 2 blue, 1 yellow, and then next I'm picking 2 beads as well, 1 yellow and 1 blue. Yes, so you enter the next yellow, you pick 2 blue beads. So some of you have been asking me the number of beads I used in making the bags. So this one, I think I tried, yes, I tried to get the number right for you. So I think this one I used about 300 pieces for the size, excluding the middle part. Okay, so I will let all the details in the description so you can check it down there. Okay, so you pick 2 yellow, and if you are at this point, I believe you've understood it, because it just keep repeating itself. Okay, so you should understand where to pick yellow, where to pick blue. Okay, so here I was picking yellow, but I realized it was a mistake, so I had to remove it and pick 2 blue, 1 yellow instead. Okay, yeah, and that is how I learn. Yeah, that is how I learn. You learn from your mistakes, and I mean everybody learns from his or her mistakes, so it's not a new thing, though. Okay, yeah, so I picked 1 yellow, 1 blue. Next you enter the yellow bead, and then you pick 2 blue beads. Great. Next you enter the blue bead, and then you pick 2 yellow beads. Okay, so to make this round also complete, you enter the next bead, which is the yellow one I'm entering, and then you pick 2 beads, 2 blue beads, I mean. Yeah, 2 blue beads. and then you cross the second one, and this round is also complete. Okay, so from here I am going to complete the yellow to also have that shape. Okay, and then right after the yellow line is going to be all blue. Okay, so I'm going to complete these sides by using the same method, and then right from there it's going to be all blue. Okay, yes, so this is what I was talking about. And then we have the shape done. So yeah, this part is what I was talking about. Okay, I want to have this flat at the top, so I didn't complete that part. Sorry. So I will start by skipping the first bead. So you see that I've entered the second bead instead. Okay, so I'll continue all round till here. Okay, so the second bead there, and not the first one, from where I'm starting the same part as at the other side. All right, so right here we are going to be picking blue all throughout. Okay, we are going to be picking blue throughout, and so the most difficult part of this is what we've done. Okay, so let's enjoy watching it. Okay, so I want to use this opportunity to thank you all very much, my subscribers. I love you guys. Look, you guys have been supporting me even when I'm not being consistent. You've been sending me message on WhatsApp in the comment sections, and then I've been responding to you. I mean, I was very excited responding to some comments. I mean, yeah, it has always been fun. I mean, um, being in contact at the comment section, and then yeah, I don't know what to say, but I'm grateful. Yes, so we are done with this part. Okay, this is one side of it, and this is the other side. Okay, so you understand now what I was talking about, like making bag out of pieces, because the yellow couldn't finish the other side. That is why I made the other side blue, and you will see the mix at the end of the video. You will see it. Yes, I was just trying to make a design out of the pieces of beads that I have leftovers. Okay, yeah, and then this is what I was talking about. Now I had to use round bag beads to make the size, because I had very little of the sugar beads, the blue and the yellow, so I had to make use of the white round beads. And then it turned out very nice though. Yeah, it turned out very nice. So I'm going to use the blue bead left and use it to join the two sides together. Actually, none of the yellow beads, I didn't get one left over. I mean, that was all I had, so I used it, and I even thank God. It's like it helped me finish this design. I mean, yeah, so I'm going to use the blue, and then I will just finish it up by joining the both sides together. Please subscribe, okay, if you've been watching my videos. Even if this is the first time you're watching my video, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, subscribe and subscribe again, because on this channel we have fun learning. Okay, and then I have different contents coming up. I mean, interviews with well-known bead artists, beaded bag reviews, and then the tools we use in making the beads bag. I'm going to review some of them. I mean, all the tools that we use, and then some beaded bag designs too. I'm going to review some of them. So please subscribe and like. When you subscribe, click on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I start to upload those videos. And then I won't stop the tutorials. No, I'll continue with the tutorials as well. So yeah, I will just continue, yeah, to join the both sides together. Please subscribe, like, comment, share. anything, please leave anything in the comment section. I will respond. I will respond to you as soon as possible. And voila, we are done. Okay, you see this chain? Yes, I ordered for a chain and this is what they gave me, so I had to make use of it since we are making a bag out of pieces or leftovers we have. Yes, so I had to join these small chains together and have my handle, and then it turned out beautiful, right? Yes, so thank you so much for staying with me throughout this video. Please subscribe if you have not. See you in my